In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play CS2 with a controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can notice, and as you can probably hear, I am able to play CS2 with a controller. This is going to be able to be done through Steam. So if you run the game through the Steam launcher, you will be able to configure something called Steam Input. Steam Input is a feature enabled in the Steam launcher itself that allows you to set up any controllers connected to your PC, and most games, even the ones that don't support controllers, will be able to be controlled with any controller that you have connected. So with enough gameplay shown, what you have to do is go over to the Steam launcher and in here find Counter-Strike 2. Once you see Counter-Strike 2, right-click the game, go over to Properties and then select Controller. Keep in mind that this option is only going to appear if you have a controller connected to your PC. Usually this is going to be done with a USB cable. Now once you go here, all that you have to do is make sure that Steam Input is enabled. You might see this notification here, controllers not supported, and while this is true, you will still be able to play. Just keep in mind that the experience might not be the best. So once you have Steam Input enabled, you are good to go. Something else that you can do is click on the controller configurator, and this will open up this window where you can change the layout in the controller. So you can see each specific button on the controller, the joystick, the D-pad is binded to something, and you can change these to community-made layouts, or you can make your own. Regardless, once you have everything set up, just go ahead, open the game, make sure that Steam is running on the background as usual, and you will be able to play with a controller. So just join any match, and while you might not be able to navigate to menus using only the controller, it is going to work in game. So this is all you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to play CS2 with a controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.